All right, hey friends, it's been a while since I posted a video. This is Mike from Iron Shepherd Forge slash ISF Metalworks. We're working on the rebrand, and hopefully it'll be we'll get that completed here shortly. But a big piece of that just came in the mail today. Actually, UPS just delivered, and beautifully. So my friend Ben, who runs Hudson Studio out in New York, he's Benjamin Bronze Studios on Instagram. You need to go follow him. You gotta go follow him because he does amazing work. So we're gonna crack this open. I'm not an unboxing kind of guy, but I'm dying to see this piece. So let's see what we got here. So there's the piece. He did a killer job of securing it to this piece of wood and packing it. It was amazing. I think this is maybe how they ship Egyptian mummies. So possibly. So let me crack this thing open and see what we got here. So it is well wrapped. I'm doing this one-handed, so sorry about the delay here. That rips open nicely. This is I think this is cast bronze and nickel plated, and I'm just blown away that the kind of work this guy does. It's just we've been going back and forth. We're big fans of each other on. Oh my Lord. Wow, brother. Wow. I don't even know what to say, man. I don't even know what to say. But look at this thing. Looks like it's got enamel. And it's nickel plated. And he told me I was going to die when I saw it. And he is not kidding. Guys, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Look at that thing. I can't even do it justice. So I'm going to flip this camera around. And I'm going to show you what my buddy does. And of course, we haven't met except virtually, but we seem to be doing a lot of work together, a lot of collabs and helping each other out and things like that. And not really collaborating, but just sharing the motivation. So let me shoot part 2 of this video. All right, so here's this plaque. And this thing weighs a ton. Pull the tape off there. This thing is heavy, and it is beautiful. And it is my new logo. So, sorry everybody, it is so incredibly shiny and polished that it is absolutely beautiful. So, if you're wondering what the ISF Metalworks, it's Iron Shepherd Forge, but I do a lot more than forging these days, so that's what I'm calling myself now, ISF Metalworks. This goes back to 2015 when I really started doing Iron Shepherd Forge, but the legacy's there. And so, in case anybody's wondering, so the symbols on my touch mark there is a fireman's axe. It's a pickhead axe. I'm a retired firefighter. Did my 20 years, and the shepherd's crook is an homage to my dad, who was a sheep rancher growing up in eastern New Mexico. And that's how he grew up, and he's the reason I'm the man I am. He passed along his work ethic, and he didn't do any metal work. He just showed me how to work and be a man. And so I've got to pass along. So he's the shepherd in Iron Shepherd Forge. He's no longer with us. I miss him every day. And this piece it just blows me away, man. I don't even know what to say. Hey, brother, this is a thank you to Ben. Dude, I don't even know. I can't. I'm speechless, man. You crushed it. I hope everybody follows you. You need to get on over there and follow Benjamin_Bronze_Studios, I think, on Instagram. Look him up. You'll find him. He does amazing casting work, mostly in bronze. Just beautiful stuff. Thanks a lot, man. I love it. It's awesome, brother. And your package is on the way shortly. This is Mike from Iron Shepherd Forge signing off, and thank you. Later, guys.